Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the look for today, and today I will be trying out some new products for my face, like a new foundation, highlighter. So let's start. I'm starting off with my primer, and I'm using my L'Oreal Base Magic Primer. It is very heavy guys, so apply only what you need. Don't go overboard with it. Then I'm just color correcting a little bit. I'm using my 15 color camouflage concealer palette, and I really don't know for what reason this is like showing white, but actually it is a very like orangish coral type of shade. Moving on to my foundation, I'm using a new foundation today, which is the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible 24-hour foundation, and I'm in the shade 106. This foundation has a pretty good coverage, you guys. I just applied one layer and it gave me the full coverage. Like, it's even better than the previous L'Oreal foundation I used to have. For concealer today, I'm using the Dream Cushion foundation from Maybelline, and it is in the shade Ivory. You can see the difference, like how much it conceals. Then for setting my face, I'm using the Maybelline Super Fresh White Compact Powder. I think it's called that, in the shade Coral, and I'm applying lots of powder because it will brighten up my face eventually. Next, moving on to my eyes, I'm using the PAC Matte Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm taking this shade right here for my transition shade. Then taking this a little more reddish brown shade, I'm applying to the hollows of my eyes just to darken it up a little bit more. Then taking this black eyeshadow, I will just apply it lightly on top of my lid, and with another brush I will blend the colors together. I don't want a very dramatic smoky eye today because I just want a nice base for eyeliner, so that's all I'm gonna do. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Wand's eyeliner pencil in the shade Hypnotic Yellow, and I will be doing the outer wing only with this. And after I am done with this, I'll take a regular eyeliner pencil and just define my eyes and blend both the colors together. Taking the one eyeliner pencil, and I'm tightlining both my upper and lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Falsies mascara. Moving on to contouring my nose, I really don't contour my nose, but for this look I went for it because I really don't want a very sharp feature, like, because it does not goes with my face. So just for today I did a little bit contouring. Next, taking the same cool tone brown color, I am chiseling out my cheeks and, like, you know, warming up my face a little bit. Then for blush, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette, and I'm taking this very nude coral pinkish shade and I'm applying it on top of my cheeks. my highlighter, I'm using the Miss Clear highlighter in shade Sunbeam. I did not like this highlighter, guys. The glitters are very chunky and it did not look good. So just to hide that, I'm using the same highlighter from that palette and I'm applying it on top of it so that like it blends a little bit more. Okay, for my lipstick, I'm using the Arisia Matte Me lipstick in the shade Tree Soil. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you have liked it. Please do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.